Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Guys, good morning. I hope you're all having a blessed day. So I have not been on here in a while. And as you can see, I am home by myself. Your girl's not feeling 100. Yeah, this change of weather is just getting to me. So I just wanted to come by and yeah, let you guys know we're sorry we haven't been vlogging. We just got a lot going on right now with the kids, them just returning to school. Like, we're trying to get settled and everything. We just been busy. We have a few things actually in the works right now. Yeah, I can't really talk about all of that right now, but it is good news. It is good news. It's not bad news, guys. It's good news. We just got a lot of things in the works right now, so we just been busy trying to deal with that and preparing for everything that is basically going to happen coming up in the next, towards the end of the year, towards the new year. So we've just been doing a lot of stuff, a lot of planning, a lot of changes happening as well. So we just kind of been busy. There's a lot going on behind the scenes, so this is why you guys have not really seen any videos. I'm sorry for the slacking, and I haven't posted anything really on social media to kind of update you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying your week, and for those that are in the sunshine, enjoy it. And send some this way, and send some of the warm weather this way as well. But yeah, your girl is just under the weather, so I am not going anywhere today. I'm just home, just writing up some lists of some stuff that I gotta get done, some things that I still need to come in, some stuff that I've also ordered. Like, yeah, I've just been busy. There were some goals that I had set for myself for the beginning of this year, and one thing with me, I try that when I set goals, I try to make sure I achieve them, right? No matter what is going on. And as I do my goals, or my goals are happening, I try to check them off. And sometimes I'm the type of person, I don't need nobody to motivate me. I tend to motivate myself, and that's something that a lot of people, some people lack. And for me, when I want something, I go after what I want. I'm like a goal-getter. So when I set my mind on something, trust me, I am going to do what I need to do to achieve that goal. Come high, come low waters. Your girl's just that type of person, and I've always been that way. So yeah, guys, so I've just been so busy. We've just been so busy, and plus on top of that, it's getting cold. There hasn't been that much stuff to vlog about, and you know, I don't want to bore you guys with cooking every day. Seeing the same old routine. So this is why I'm waiting until there's actually something happening, something vibrant. And yeah, this month my baby girl is turning 12 years old. I can't believe it. So she's turning 12 years old this month. So she's excited about that. I tell her, I said, don't hurry up to grow up. Because with growing up comes a hell of a lot of responsibilities. But yeah, I just been here doing behind the scenes stuff, school, like work, everything. It's just been a lot. I don't know if we're gonna release too much information on what we've been up to, or we are just gonna kind of keep that private. That's something that I will probably maybe have to discuss with my husband. But for now, but I just wanted to come in and check in with you guys and let you know that everything is good so far. We just been busy, and the kids are adjusting to school and everything, and high school. You know how the ropes go, and then you know the cold weather is here, so it's pretty much out. Gotta be shopping because we gotta pretty much you gotta shop for the 4th season. We just finished the back to school shopping stuff for the kids. Now I gotta get back out there again to go shopping and make sure their winter gear and all that stuff is up and they are ready and full in effect for winter. So that is what we are doing. But yeah, so if I'm doing anything exciting or I feel that's interesting to vlog, I will definitely let you guys in on that. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Yeah, so I have almost finished my fried dumpling. Oh, and I always cut my dumpling in half. I love cutting. My hubby usually loves them wholer, but since he's not here, I cut all of them in half, just for me and the kids. The other two, they're still sleeping. They had a very late night. Sorry, what you guys are hearing in the background is Petite Sue. Watching one of her videos as I'm currently doing what I need to do. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the Williams fam. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share, and leave a comment in the comment below. And if you guys have not turned on your post notification when I upload, you guys will be the first to notice. Go ahead and ding that bell. Yes, so I hope you guys are having a great day. Your girl is just home, just finishing some assignments, and I actually have my chicken I'm about to season up right now. Figured I wanted to make some wings in the oven. Yes, I haven't made wings in such a long time, so I'm doing wings in the oven, and I'm also doing some chicken breasts on the stove. And yeah, I already got my rice prep with my scallion, my thyme, and my butter, you know. Yeah, so that is what we're going to have, and maybe some corn on the cob for dinner. I got class later, so I'm doing I'm cooking early, so at least when hubby comes home, he will be able, him and the kids them will actually be able to have food to eat. They don't gotta wait on me because I got a very late class tonight. So you know what, let me just get this chicken finished, washed up, and ready to prep. So as you can see here, I got my wings and I got my breasts. I just actually got it to get a knife. So, and I am just, I don't know what happened to the lighting. So I am about to just season up these wings here. So I got my Maggi sauce. You know your girl can't season up meat without a Maggi sauce. I know, I am so sorry I've been neglecting you guys. It's not really that, it's just I've been so busy, and at the same time I haven't had that much to vlog about, so I don't want to be vlogging if I'm not putting out good content or I'm not doing anything, because right now it's crunch time for me. You already know how it goes. And yeah, so that's what I've been up to. But I do got some videos for you guys, and Thanksgiving is coming up, so stay tuned. I don't know if the girls them will be cooking again this year, but I think I'm probably gonna do the cooking this year. Certain things I'm probably not going to make. So yeah, I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving dinner. I decided that we're not gonna do a turkey this year. Yeah, no turkey this year. Last year that turkey went to waste. So for this year there will be no turkey making, because me and I think mostly me, like the kids them have it like one day, and then after that, that's it. So I don't want to do that because that's a lot of waste, and there's so much people in this world that would be glad to eat that turkey and don't have the luxury of doing that. So you know what, I don't want to waste it. So, and I got my little secret sauce here that I'm pouring in. I just need a little bit more. I like my wings nice and spicy. Nice and spicy. So that, yeah, I'm gonna maybe do half of this. That should be, well, hopefully it's not gonna be too peppery that the kids them can't eat it, but just spicy enough. Just good enough that, yeah, they could still you know, be able to eat it. So I have my oven already preheated. I'm gonna put them in now. And I was thinking of doing, I don't know, I was thinking of doing like maybe a series on my channel, but I'm not quite sure yet what to do. Maybe a boss girl series. So I'm not sure. If you guys would like to see something like that, let me know. Yeah, and if you guys would like more story time, I got plenty of stories I could tell y'all. Plenty of stories. So let me know. I got so many of them. So some of them that might be motivational to some of them will be able to help others. So let me know if you guys want to hear a story time. We actually have another video coming. I'm making a mess. Have another video coming up, but I'm not sure when we are going to do that video yet, but hopefully it will be coming out sooner than later. We're just still trying to figure out the time to get that one video done, and it will be a video for everyone that's been in a long distance relationship, and it will be very informative and helpful to those who have been asking questions and feel that they can't get any answers from anyone else. So yeah, we will also be dropping that video soon as well, so stay tuned for that, guys. So I got my meat, all my wings, them all seasoned up, so I'm gonna just put those in the oven. I'm gonna put them into these containers here, and I'm gonna put those in the oven, and then I'm gonna come back and do my chicken. Okay, so my wings are finished. I'm about to put them in the oven. The oven is already nice and preheat. I know I am cooking well early. It's what, 1 o'clock? Yeah, it's now 1 o'clock during the day, and I am cooking early. I just want to finish and get dinner out the way so I can finish doing what I'm doing. So what I try to always do, I try to prep dinner sometimes the night before, early in the morning if I can, to have things out of the way, because it's not every day I am home. I'm usually gone most days, but I generally get up and yeah, I drive the kids them to school and everything and come home. Yeah, I drive the kids into school, then I come home, and then I basically, if I have stuff to do that I didn't finish the night before, I do that. So yeah, so now I am going to cut up the chicken breasts, because as I told you, my husband does not eat chicken breasts. Well, sorry, as I told you, my husband does not eat wings. So I gotta make chicken breasts for him separately, or I would have had to make a different form of meat for him. He doesn't eat wings. I don't think he's ever tried wings. So with him, I gotta make sure that his meat is set aside and different. A seasoning on that. Yeah, and I've been busy in the gym as well. So yeah, me and hubby been going to the gym. So we are trying to we want healthy living. I want to live a little bit longer to see what this world is gonna be like. Hopefully we'll live to see when we're 80 and 90. My meat is well cooked, even though they say breasts don't take long, but you still want to make sure it's well cooked. And there, it's seasoned up. The only thing I gotta do now is cut up some onion, bell peppers, and get my thyme, scallion, and potato, and some carrot, and put in there. And yeah, we are ready to rock this kitchen as usual. As usual, take them time and do their thing, and then I go add the vegetables to them. Let me see. Wow, see me wings them in the oven. Yeah, them already looking nice. Them already looking nice. Oh gosh. I was planning, I think this year I was saying that I wanted to take hubby skiing. No, not skiing. I wanted to take him ice skating because he's never been, but we don't know. After what happened with the last, after we went rollerblading, I don't know how that's gonna go, but I think maybe I'll take him rollerblading. Faith's birthday is coming up, and we're still figuring out, let me pick up my mess. We're still figuring out she's still figuring out what she wants to do for her birthday. She's not sure what she wants to do for her birthday yet. So hopefully it's nothing too crazy. But knowing her, she already in demand. She made a list of things that she wants. Not even want to do. She made a list of things that she wants for her birthday. So, man. But we will see how that goes. Yeah, I can't believe she'll be turning what? 12. Time flies. Some days I look and I was like, it's just the other day I had you guys. And I look, they're all big now. So, but yeah. So I'm just gonna let that cook, and I'm gonna go back and finish this assignment, and I will tune back in. So I am almost finished cooking. Got just the stuff simmering down, and I got my rice almost done, and oh, those are looking amazing. I am just here doing some actual business. I was doing a little mini photo shoot. I'm getting some work done for some stuff that I have to get done and push out soon. So that is what I was doing, and now I am kind of editing. I'm editing some stuff that I also got to get done and get out there. I gotta send them off. So that is what your girl is currently doing. So yeah, I am going to actually leave soon because I gotta go get the kids from school. So I'm about to go do that, and as you see, I'm still here working away at schoolwork and some business that I have to take care of behind the scenes. I'm also been doing that with email and back and forth stuff all day. So yeah, that is what my day has persisted of. But yeah, I hope I'm not boring you guys with this vlog. So that is pretty much what your girl is up to, and yeah, it's just nice. I'm home, it's nice and quiet. The sun's out, but it looks deceiving, and it's just peaceful, you know. I love being home sometimes, and it's just nice and quiet and peaceful. Any day more than outside, unless like I'm back home. When I'm back home, I love being outside. I don't like being in the house, but I like being outside and just doing things, because there's way more stuff to do when you're back home that does not require money, like going to the river, going to a certain beach, a free beach. It doesn't require money. Doing certain activities, it doesn't require money. But you know, so your girl is just chilling, well, getting some work done. So I guess I will tune in when I am going to get the kids.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and